Hey guys, so right now we are moving like flash in terms of design, speed and innovation. We saw Samsung's flexible OLED display back in 2013, just focus on years I'm speaking of. We saw Lenovo C Plus and Lenovo Folio back in 2016, and then in 2019 we saw the Mix Alpha. So these brands are way ahead of what we are seeing right now. Samsung is already working on a bezel-less smartphone. They are trying different design, what is right for consumer. They have to focus on durability because they just cannot roll an unfinished product. So all brands usually do some kind of long-term testing with these innovative devices. Now as per latest patent, Samsung is working on a Galaxy Zero with 0 ports, 0 bezels. This is something futuristic as of now, but it's gonna be real really soon. See, it's not like we haven't seen phones like this. The Mix Alpha is a live example of what reality we are into, and these kind of innovations are fully possible. So this Samsung phone has surrounding display, meaning a display all around both on front and back. Even on top and bottom we have subtle curve which looks really amazing. Now question is, where is the selfie shooter? So it's a sliding mechanism like we saw in the Galaxy A80 smartphone. You can take selfies from back display and of course access the rear camera from the front screen. There are some amazing features which are there in this smartphone. There's this transparent housing which can adapt to the environment. You can make the color similar to what it is on. It can change the experience according to the weather outside. It can show you your health information. Yeah, these are some cool advantages and enhancement of having such amazing technology and full screen surrounding bezel-less display. Now some main challenges with this kind of design is durability, cause it's on screen however you put. Yeah, how it is gonna respond to scratches and what kind of protection Samsung is gonna use. So you also heard Samsung is working on a self-healing displays. They cannot cure major scratches, but yeah, minor scratches. And second challenge is the pricing. These kind of concept and design are not for all, but simply for those who can afford. Yeah, these are some really expensive limited edition design which is like special edition for those who can spend anything to get it. You see, the Mix Alpha cost over $2,000, but it's not for sale anymore. Best part is, as the innovation improves and parts getting cheaper, these devices will eventually become the normal smartphone you'll use in the future. So yeah, this is exciting for sure. I want to know your thoughts on this Galaxy Zero smartphone with no holes, no ports, no interruption, a full screen, bezel-less experience. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.